Bitcoin continues to dance around $90,000. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Bitcoin market has gone back and forth during the early hours on Thursday as we continue to hang around the $90,000 level. The $90,000 level, of course, is a large, round, psychologically significant figure, and of course, an area that, in and of itself, probably has quite a few options traders looking for ways to play the market. Now, that being said, I think the market is still one that you are a buyer of dips, as the Wall Street ETF alone will make sure that Bitcoin at least sits stable, if not going higher. The massive breakout that we have seen recently is probably about as good as it gets. Now that it is an institutional asset, it's not going to be 50% runs in 2 weeks anymore. So a little bit of a give back here would make a certain amount of sense, but it should give you an opportunity. The $74,000 level underneath should be a bit of a support level, as it was previous resistance. And now I think you've got a scenario where you have to look at this through the prism of trying to find value as it occurs. If and when it does, just be a buyer of that value on some type of bounce is probably going to be the play that most traders employ. The 50-day EMA is currently at the 71,600 level and rising. So any pullback that gets close to the $74,000 level will also have that to deal with as well. Based on the measured move of the previous rounded bottom, I said a few days ago that we could go as high as $98,000. There's literally nothing on this chart that suggests that we cannot do that. I just don't think we get there overnight. My name is Christopher Lewis. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.